Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm unboxing testtube Beauty. I actually love this subscription. Love it. So if you've been looking for like a really good skincare subscription, this one has always been amazing. It's never let me down, and it comes every 2 months, and I really like that because by the time you start running out of the products, they're back to refill you. And they always give you really, like, I would say expensive products to try that are really good. And I haven't been let down yet. I really like them. Plus the price point. Skincare, guys. Skincare. Keep in mind, skincare, $29.95 every 2 months. I think this is totally worth signing up for. Like I said, it's been one of my favorites. I love the container it comes in. Super cute, super outside of the box. And so let's get into this unboxing. You let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'm going to show you what I got this time. And I will be linking them in the description box below. If you choose to sign up, does nothing for me. I don't get any perks, any kickback. I just honestly love this subscription. I think it's completely worth it, and let's do this. All right, so here's the box. Here's the box. Here's the pamphlet that came in the box. So it says test tube. And then it gives you like a little magazine, and it always tells you about each and every product. It breaks them down. It tells you, let's see, it'll tell you how much it is, what it is, how to use it, the editor's feedback, the key ingredients, and expert insight for every single product in here. So I love that. I really do. I love the breakdown. They're thorough. It's a great subscription. Did I mention it's a great subscription? It's a great subscription. All right, so first thing I see in here, and I think I had heard of this. Sorry, my hair is on my arm. It's driving me crazy. All right, so I heard this was coming in here, and everybody might have mixed reviews, but hear me out. Hear me out. All right, so this is called Body. B-A-W-D-Y. Butt is the new face. Okay, so that's what it says. Not joking. It says squeeze it. Citrus butt sheet mask, brightening and rejuvenating. There's 2 sheets, and you do it for 10 minutes. So basically, each sheet is for a butt cheek. All right. It says our butt sheet masks are formulated to tone, smooth, firm, and improve texture. Now, if you guys saw my video, one woman and all of her sheet mask or whatever I called it, you'll know I kind of have a face mask or a sheet mask or mask collection in general. So I don't get mad at getting masks. And I really like that they gave me something different. Who doesn't want their butt to be everything, honey? I do. Okay, it says what it is, a cheeky take on skincare. This citrus sheet mask cares for the skin on your behind by brightening, hydrating, and plumping. Now, my butt could use, I mean, I'm a big girl, so I'm already plump, but I could plump it more in a round way, if you know what I mean, instead of a wide way. Tell me in the comments if you have the same issue, being wide. But anyway, says how to use. Each pack comes with 2 halves of the mask to make sure all bases are covered. Apply to clean skin and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes to refresh and nourish. Okay, so this you can find at ulta.com, and they retail for $9. I think it's cute. I think it's something to try, and I'm happy to add it to my collection. That's me. Okay, that's my review. So this next thing feels heavier, and it also looks like mask. They feel very juicy. All right, let's see. Let me just open it. It looks like Soon, S-O-O-N is the brand. These are very artistic, aren't they? Look at them. I've never seen these before. All right, Soon Biocellulose Anti-Aging Face Mask. And I mean, this is just one. It's very heavy, so you could tell it has a lot of product on here. So it's probably going to be a very hydrating mask. So it's collagen and says, get ready to outsmart the clock. I hope you're right. All right, so this one is the next one. Are they the same? Are they the same? No, it's a little bit different. So this one says, micro hole hydrogel collagen mask. Firms with collagen, ultra hydrating, maximum absorption. All right. Put that to the side. Ooh, and then this one's red, my favorite color. And I like the gold. All right, so this says soon biocellulose firming face mask. Portulaca oleracea. You can tell I'm not an expert on this stuff. Niacinamide ginkgo nut. So we got a little ginkgo nut in there. Some pomegranate and some fig. And it says it's time to tighten up. All right, so let's read about it. But yeah, I love getting masks, so anyway. It says what they are: a holy trinity of firming and hydrating sheet masks that transform skin in less than 20 minutes, thanks to powerhouse ingredients like niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Okay, and these retail for $18 to $22, and you can get them at soonskincare.com. And I've never heard of this, so I'll be checking them out. Okay, guys, so this is the tube, right? So as I said, they don't always fit everything into the tube. And I really like that. I like that they don't try to. I like that they're like, oh, look, we can still give them a little bit more. It doesn't have to fit. Thank you. Thank you for that. I love getting more. Okay, so this one looks like it's all like astrology. How cute, right? Every test tube is a different tube. So I've been keeping these. I really like them. I put pins in them. I've said in the past in other videos, I think they're really cute to put makeup brushes in. Like you just take the lid off and let me do it real quick. Yeah, so just set it on your desk. You could keep things like Q-tips in there, cotton balls, but they're just, to me, the cutest little canisters. Who am I? Who am I? All right, so let's go with the first thing I see in here. This is what it looks like. So this is 10-free chemistry clean nail color, up to 85% naturally derived, non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free. Let's see where you are. Okay, says it's a hyper clean, long wearing polish packed with natural ingredients and peptides for beautiful pigment. You can buy it at 10freechemistry.com and it retails for $18. $18. Let's see what color. Oh, that's a pretty color. Really pretty. Okay, so the shade I got, just in case you're interested and you do go to their website, is Belle Vine. So Belle Vine. That's a gorgeous shade. Normally, a lot of subscriptions, I notice they'll give me nail polish and I'm like, no thank you, I don't like that color. But that one's really cute. I like that a lot. I got a toothbrush with a thick handle and it's very heavy. It says Super Smile. Let's see. This is different. Oh, it comes with other stuff. So let me get those things out. I think it is this. Okay, it says, all right, let me show you this. All right, so Professional Extra Whitening System, 2 tubes, and it says it's Professional Whitening Accelerator and Professional Whitening Toothpaste. Let me go ahead and open them up. These are the two, these are the 2 tubes. And again, the toothbrush. This toothbrush, I don't know if you guys can see this like thick handle, but it's very thick. It's heavy. Okay, so it says what it is. An on-the-go kit with Super Smile's most advanced whitening system, a professional whitening toothpaste, and professional whitening accelerator. That works together to eliminate surface stains, plus a patented 45-degree toothbrush. Interesting. And this says how to use, add a pearl-sized drop of the whitening toothpaste and a pearl-sized drop of the accelerator on the dry toothbrush. Dry. So you put both at the same time. And brush for 2 minutes, morning and night. That's interesting, huh? Okay, so you can buy this at supersmile.com. And it's $9 and $12. And they have a code on here if you're interested that expires March 31st of this year. And it's $10 off. And if you want to use the code, it is SuperSmile10 if you're interested. Okay, guys. That's cool. Cool, cool, cool. All right, next item. This looks like men's deodorant to me. Am I the only one? What is this? Let's see what it is. All right, so this is Renee Fruterer Paris. I'm sorry if I'm butchering you. My bad. This is Finnish style vegetal texture spray with natural cackle extract, texture and volume finish. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And I'm already on the page. Good. A lightweight dry styling spray with vitamin B5 that gives new life to tired tresses without leaving behind residue. Hold 10 inches from dry hair and spray for volume and texture, or apply before styling updos and braids for additional grip. And this retails for $10. And you can buy it at Renee FurtererUSA.com. Okay, so there's that guy. Here's the next item that's in here. And this is Naturally G4U, which is good for you. They write it out under that. It says, beauty has no age. Retinol, anti-wrinkle serum, vitamin C, vitamin A, meadow foam seed oil, vegan, cruelty-free, plant-based. Oh, and it comes with something else, I think. Are they both in here? Or maybe it was a... Oh, I guess it was a either or, depending on what you got. Okay. It says what they are: retinol serum, a do-it-all serum that brightens, exfoliates, and firms skin for a glowy effect. Eye serum, a super hydrating serum that targets the skin below the lower lids to lost volume. To restore lost volume. So mine is the serum for all over your skin. And it just says apply a thin layer after cleansing. Just remember to apply SPF, as retinol can cause skin to be more reactive to sunlight. I didn't know that. So you can find that at Ulta.com for $19.99 each. And that's for either one. Okay, and I pulled this out. So here's this guy. So it says, where is Pore? Pore White Cake Pack. White Cake Pack. Okay. Brightening and Cooling Effects by Coalition. Special Edition 2. Okay, what it is: a radiant boosting facial in a jar that delivers deep hydration, purges pores, and exfoliates with the help of fruit enzymes and Amazonian clay. Which Amazonian clay, I don't know if any of you guys have tried it, but both, like the two daughters that live in this house, I don't want to say both daughters because I have 3, but the 2 that live in this house, one has an Amazonian clay mask that goes on face and hair, and the other one has one for the hair, I think it is. But Amazonian clay is like really popular right now. People are like swearing by it. It's supposed to be so good. So I'm kind of excited about this. Not gonna lie, a little bit excited. Okay, it says apply to areas of the face that need a little extra attention. That's everywhere for me, but okay. And leave on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. So the Coalition Pore White Cake Pack you can buy it at curiousmall.com, and that's curious with a K. And it retails for $37. And you can actually get $18.50 off, which is interesting, an interesting number. The $18.50 off if you use code NEWBEAUTY, and that expires March 31st. So basically half off. I don't know why they didn't just say half off. But anyway, that's a good deal. Now, what in the hell? Just kidding. So that's what it looks like. I guess it's just, I don't know, thick in there. I don't know. This stuff's going to be interesting. I definitely am going to try it. Let me know if you guys want me to come back and review any of these products and tell you what I thought of them. I would love to. I'm going to use them anyway. So if you want a product review on any of these products, please mention in the comments below, and I will do a video dedicated to those products. Or maybe you just want me to do my test tube beauty review, and I'll come back and tell you what I thought of all the products in the box. That's fair too. Okay, so then the last thing that's in here is this guy. And this says free or fray, skincare, Argania Active Complex, Protect Me Defense Facial Moisturizer. Love moisturizers for my face. Formulated for sweating skin. Okay. That's interesting. So what it is, a moisturizer meets sunscreen meets antioxidant. This lightweight cream defends against UV rays, free radical damage, and dryness, which I have. Okay, so it says how to use, apply at least 15 minutes before sun exposure, headed to yoga, no sweat, because this formula was designed with exercise in mind and stays put no matter the workout. Now that's really cool, because I don't mean to waste your time or tell you something you don't already know, but living in Florida, like, it sucks to put lotion or something, moisturizer on your face, and then go out and you're sweating, especially with the humidity. You just feel gross, and you can't wait to wipe it off. So I'm very curious about this, the fact that it's actually made for sweating. And so me being in this type of environment, this might be amazing for me and a new product that I'll keep purchasing. So you buy it at freeskincare.com. And again, it's free, F-R-E, not F-R-E-E. And it is $50. Wow. And you can take $15 off your first Protect Me using code NWBFRE. NWBFRE. And that offer expires February 28th of this year. So I better get to trying this and see if I like it, because if I do, I need to get that $15 off, because 50 is a bunch. That's a whole lot. But yeah, that's cool. I hope it works. Yes, ma'am. That way I can be actually moisturized in the sun instead of drying out even more. And y'all know how it gets. The struggle is real. So anyways, let me know in the comments below, what did you guys think of this subscription? I love it. I've always loved it. This is the first time I got smaller items like this, but again, it's like serums and things. I got teeth whitener. I just love like the whole selection that they give you. Like, they have you covered. So my ass is even covered, guys. My ass is covered. Like, who doesn't love that? They thought of my ass. Thank you. So anyways, if you're interested in signing up, I will leave their link in the description box below. And thank you for watching my video, guys. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah!